got the best 2 deals at the depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. We got some mowers here, $24.99 for this tractor style. You got a 0 turn here, $24.99 for this one. You got a Ryobi, and then another Ryobi there. Alright, so this is the newer Whisper series mowers. Yes, $849. They're really getting there, really expensive. Kind of like the Milwaukee, they're getting to that price. I'll definitely stick with the Eagle. There's a lot of good deals going on with those. $17 down from $21.47. You got the universal gutter cleaning kit. This one's down to $42 from $54. Gotta say my voice is a little better today. And then you got this extensions here. If you guys want some cheap extensions with some USBs, this one's down to $4.98, down from $12.98. And then these are really cheap. That's down to $132. I ended up getting myself 4 of these just to have in case I needed them. Got the strong box divider for the totes. You got what is that? A corded rotary tool, $80, and then $149 for the SDS Plus rotary hammer. Got a finished nailer, 2.5 finished nailer, $90 down from $179, 16 gauge. You got a jigsaw for $179, and it looks like an 18-volt battery and charger for $49. From Ryobi with a 2 amp hour battery, and then you got a compact router for $169. Then you got a grease gun, not a nailer. A grease gun for $192. There's the Waltz down from $239. And you got this impact wrench down to $90 from $99. It is the older brush. You got the wet and dry vacuum, $60 down from $79. Got some used tools here, nothing worth seeing. I just thought I showed you guys this first tool here. The other one's fairly expensive. So this one's $3.99, down from $12.35. It's a tiller, gas tiller. 24 down from $29. That's 15-piece titanium, red helix. Then you got the buy one get one free with the M12 batteries. You get a free 5 amp hour battery, a high output battery. With the purchase of any of those kits there to the left. Same thing with this. You buy any of the kits on the top, and you get a free tool. Definitely the ratchet, the circular saw, bunch of tools. Oscillating tool, that was nice too. Angle grinder. Not the. Oh, it looks like the X-Lux there. I don't know if it's actually compatible with that promotion. Got an electric angle cutter, 17 or 719. It is 14 inches. Got some of these on new lower price, $46 down from $54. These are Carhartt hoodies, really nice. $183 down from $319. Mechanics tool set. Then you got some of these tape measures for $11.16 down from $14, and some safety glasses down to $7.40. Yeah, this were just randomly there. Got the new telescopic scrubber. It does have a soap dispenser, so it does have like it does spray. And then this one's $10.97. This one's for the drill. So if you guys can't afford the scrubber, might as well just get something like this, or just go online. Just go to Amazon. They do sell a lot on Amazon, but this one's $10, so it's not bad for $10. This one's the soft. The black one's the harder. And the medium grade's the Ryobi color. And that it does fit the impact driver. Alright, so you got the buy more, save more. You buy $550, save $175. Obviously, that's the best deal. You buy $450, save $100. You buy $350, save $50. So, got mix and match. Make sure you guys do the math in the app. And then you guys can walk into the store, however you guys want to do it. And then we got this for $199. This is a toolbox, a rolling toolbox with drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and a couple batteries, charger. I got this tool bag. It's a 12-inch tool bag. Pretty much basic. $14.98, down from $20. Alright, they got this cargo net, $9.84, down from $19.98. They got this cutting guide with the knife, $19.97. Got the mega base there. This is leftovers from the holidays, probably $39.97. Pretty sure these are gonna drop down in price some. 18 gauge, 20 volt 18 gauge XR brand nailer, $189. That was a really good deal. Whoever got it, got it. You might want to look for that at your depot. It's a 1 1/4 car cleaning accessory kit down to $18 from $34.97. That's a pretty dang good deal on that one. That's it for today, guys. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.